This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan patissier. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and prepare our baking dish. This easy method brings the classic French dessert to your kitchen without complicated steps. You'll achieve a wonderfully creamy custard with a perfectly set texture and a delightful crust. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this elegant, yet straightforward, treat that tastes absolutely divine. To begin, you'll need 500 milliliters of whole milk, 250 grams of granulated sugar, and 4 large eggs. Don't forget 60 grams of cornstarch to thicken our custard. For that signature flavor, have a vanilla bean ready, or use 5 milliliters of good quality vanilla extract. Finally, for the easy crust, grab 1 sheet of pre-made puff pastry. These simple items are all you need for a fantastic flan. Now let's prepare the creamy custard. In a large bowl, whisk together your eggs, sugar, and cornstarch until the mixture is completely smooth. Next, gently heat the milk with your vanilla until it just begins to simmer, then take it off the heat. Slowly pour the hot milk into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs. Finally, return this combined mixture to the saucepan. Cook the custard over medium heat, stirring constantly, until it becomes very thick and creamy. Roll out your puff pastry and line a 20-centimeter pie dish, trimming any excess. Pour the hot custard directly into the pastry-lined dish, smoothing the top with a spatula. Bake your flan at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 55 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown. Let it cool completely, then chill for at least 4 hours before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.